Oi people, wagwan, you don't know wagwan. I'm Ringo Vision, you're tuned in and locked in to 24-hour kitchen people, yeah? Big up yourself. Today is a special episode. I'm out today in Croydon High Street. Yes, I'm out again. Happy New Year, everybody. If I haven't greeted everybody, and one thing again, thank you very much for 6K subscribers. We're on our way to 10K people, yeah? Come on, a big celebration is gonna happen at 10K. But today, the agenda and what we're focusing on is finding somebody that is homeless and giving them some bang bang noodles. So big up KO Lee. He sent me all these packs, and basically what I want to do is give this to somebody that needs it more than somebody that's in the home people. Yeah, big up yourself. You don't know what I want. 24-hour kitchen, we're there. Yeah man people, so we're here, we're on Croydon High Street, and I've asked permission if the gentleman here doesn't mind me actually putting him on camera and having him filmed. So come in. And as I'm here in West Croydon as well, in Croydon High Street as well, people, yeah, you can also make a donation for any homeless or any charitable movement that you see that's happening on the channel. Because basically today I found someone. He's without shelter, but I've offered the minimum, which is giving him a pot noodle. You understand people? So even down to a pot noodle is unaffordable out here. So if you can help where you can, people, yeah, it's a good vibe. Just be mindful that there's people out here in the freezing cold. We're here in England. It's January. It's winter. And there are people out here in unfortunate positions, people, yeah? Big up yourself, and thank you to Bang Bang, KO Lee, which is sent all these products for us to do this charitable movement, people, yeah? Our good vibes. I'll come out here with my equipment today, everyone, yeah? So look, I'm using the portable gas stove. Come. So, alright, quick things in the people. Come in. I want you to see what I go on. Now look. Take off my scarf now and let's get active, people. Car. You don't know what I go on. We're fully active. We're fully outside, people. Yeah. The gentleman that was just sitting here, he said that he's gone to the toilet. So by the time you come back, I want him to see that everything's up and running. Good vibes. You look thought I was joking, innit? Yeah man, I got the pot and I got the pan. And this is what it's all about, you know. I'm also showing you that if you are in a position anywhere you are in the world, you can travel one of these packs here. It's very cheap, it's very durable. Costs about £16. You can order them on Amazon in any form of DIY shop and travel with it. You understand, people? Are good vibes, and you can use it for your needs, for cooking, whatever you want to use it for. Good vibes. Alright everyone, this is how simple it is, yeah? To turn on the canister. Wow, look at that. Come in and look at that flame. Come. I want you to see how simple this is. Pop my pan on. Let me just place the lid there. And simple things, people, yeah? Because all I need to do right now, yeah, is to get my water. I think that should be it. To boiling temperature.
Show them the fire again.
Bang bang everybody. Bang. Yes everybody, as you can see, look, we've got our gas stove that's lit. The water's inside, everybody. Yeah man, our good vibes. We've got our bang bang noodles here by KO Lee. Yeah man, big up KO Lee. So right now, we're fully active, we're fully outside. Chicken feel good flavor, you know. Ready to eat in 3 minutes when you boil the kettle. But right now, we're not using the kettle, everyone. We're using fresh hot water from the stove, people, yeah? Good vibes, big up yourself. Wow, look at this everyone. Wow, mad thing. Look at this. No joke thing, everybody. So what's happening right now? So we've got 2 flavors of noodles that we're gonna give to the gentleman here quickly. Our gas stove is like fully boiling the water. We're good, we're ready. So what we can do right now is turn off our pan. You see how quick that was? instantly, you know, people. A good vibes. Yeah, so the pan is piping hot. So we've got a flavour here. So we've got cheeky chicken green curry flavour, and we've also got chicken feel good flavour, bang bang noodles. Which one are we going for?
We'll go for the chicken curry one.
Chicken curry is people, so a good vibe. So yeah, man. So let's pop this off. So doing it because obviously it's a bit personal, so it's a bit hands-on. So yeah, you can do all the prep. So I'll put the hot water on. Let me get you a fork in the meantime. So catch all of that in action there, please. Yeah. So just go down a bit. Catch all of that in action. Yeah, nice one. So if you just pop it and just pour everything in, and I'll get the hot water ready. Yes, everybody, pick up yourselves at the same time. Remember, we're gonna need a fork, people, because we can't eat our noodles without a fork. Bang bang style, you know. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So look at this. So yeah, look at that. Wow. So all you do, you pop your sachet and you put all your little ingredients in, just like that, simple. So I'll give you a fork as well. Good vibes. And then there's the next one here that you just pop this one in, squeeze it in. Look at that, everybody. Hang on. That's it. Ooh, look at that.
That's curry.
That's the curry. That's the curry.
That's the green curry.
Good vibes. So last but not least, we've got a piping hot water here. Perfect. And then we can just pop the lid back on. And that's it, we just let it rest. We're just gonna let it rest now, everyone, for a few minutes. And then, yeah, we're gonna have our bang bang curry. Good vibes. Everyone, so we've also got the gourmet popcorn as well, everyone, yeah, that we're gonna give to the gentleman as well. So it's a good vibe. This one's a tomato ketchup flavored popcorn. And he likes to read his book, so when he gets into his story and he's lost away, he could be having his bang bang noodles and also having his popcorn. Thank you very much, man.
Thank you. I enjoy it.
Everyone, so we're just gonna give it a little shake around quickly just before we pop the lid. Have a look. Wow, look at that. So yeah, I think you just give it a little stir. Nice. Everything's melted away nicely. This is the Kaoli range Bang Bang cheeky green curry noodles. It's smelling absolutely wow. Yeah, the flavors is smelling really nice.
No. Never can taste.
Bang bang.
Bang bang.
And what was?
Long noodles.
Yes, everybody, big up yourself. I'm Ringo Vision. You're locked in on 24-hour kitchen. Today was a simple episode to come out and show you that we've got the bang bang pot noodles. We found someone on the high street that is in a less position than a lot of people out here. It's freezing cold, and we just thought let's let someone have the opportunity to have the bang bang noodles, people, yeah, and also have one of the ranges of popcorn. A good vibes. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen. We're there. We're outside, people, yeah. It is a new year, a new season, and I just want everybody to spread the love, share the love when you can, where you can. It's a good vibes outside. Thank you very much, mate.
No worries. Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers.
God bless you.
Bang bang, man. Good vibes.
Bang.
Bang.
Yes, everybody, big up yourself. Look, I've just walked a couple hundred yards from where I just gave the gentleman the bang bang noodles, and there's a team of people here doing exactly the same thing, but on a bit bigger scale. So I'm just here to just stop and offer also We've got some noodles as well. So we've also got some from noodles from the KO Lee range that we also want to give to them because they're out and they're doing an intervention where they're out feeding the homeless people, yeah. So, and we're all about giving back. KO Lee is all about giving back to the community. So today we're out doing a lot of different things for the community people, yeah. A good vibes, big up yourself. And thank you KO Lee for sending us these ranges of noodles and popcorns and hot sauces, chili sauces, good vibe.
South End, yeah.
Could we give you these?
Sure. Thank you.
This is something like
Nice.
noodles.
Awesome, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Cheers. Yes, everybody. So a good vibe. So we're gonna continue on our work today. So big up yourself. You don't know what I want. 24-hour kitchen outside. Yes, everyone. So we have to big up the organisation that's out here putting in the work today as well. And they're called We Claim Croydon. And you're here every Thursday on the high street. You can come out. They're doing tea. They're doing soup today as well. And also over here, they're also giving away clothes. So if you really do need something and you can't, you're out of pocket and you need that extra support, that extra help, right here in Croydon High Street, every Thursday, everybody here, there's an outreach happening in our local community. So big up yourself, you don't know what I want. Ringo Vision is a part of the movement of giving back. KO Lee brand is also a part of the movement of giving back. So big up yourself, people, yeah. I want you guys to all get involved and do what you can when you can. Good vibes. Yes, everybody, so we're still on the movement, man, because we still have some goodies in the bag here, people, yeah. And there's people out here to meet, and there's people to try new things, and there's people that's in unfortunate position that we want to help as well, people, yeah. So big up yourself, and thank you to KO Lee for sponsoring this episode and giving us the goodies for us to give back to the community, people, yeah. Our good vibes. Just a quick pit stop. Get your fingers from the camera, please. This is what we love so much about Great Britain. Great Britain is such an amazing place because you can come to places like this.
Show them some.
And spray your favorite perfume. Cause you know more time, people, is my pit stop, innit? So I thought, you know what it is, I want to give you guys something different for the channel. I'm coming in there and I'm getting real sweet. Aye. Big up yourself, you don't know we're on 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision, people. More time I'm inside of the kitchen. I just fed that homeless guy outside. He's loving the Bang Bang range. So now I'm coming in there to sweeten myself up to go back outside to see if I can capture the right person right now to give them some popcorn. You don't know what.